Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to talk about SQL versus traditional file systems. So maybe you were thinking about that file system is an alternative to database, but I have to say that file system is not a good solution when you uh, want to manipulate structured data because we recently say that databases are efficient and secure when you need to retrieve data, insert data, and etc. And you can't do this operation in file system because file system were meant to store files in an structured manner. So this is not a solution if you need to quick manipulate the data. Think also about the relationships. The files inside a file system are independent. Mm, there are no relationships between them, but you can have relation data in SQL databases, so you can easily cross-reference data and retrieve the information you need very quick. And you have to know that you can do that very easy in a file system. So that is the reason why all programs that you know right now maybe use Instagram, Twitter, social media, and all software have a database, one or more database that store the data. The software don't use file system because of these problems that we mentioned. So this is a short video. This is the end of the video. You have the information, and see you in the next one. That will be the last one of this series. Hope that you find useful this information, and that's all. See you in the next lesson.